If you want to be successful and achieve your goals, you have to make it easy to win. I found this out again this morning. Usually on YouTube with making videos, I will batch my content. Just like with cookies or with a load of laundry or with dishes, you don't just wash one piece of clothing. You don't just wash or one dish. You don't just make one cookie. You batch it. You do multiple. And this is one reason I've been able to post a YouTube video for the last 3 years every single week. When I first started, I was posting every single day for like 360 something days. But to be consistent, it's systems. It's how you approach things, okay? I also take in mind that we're humans. And some seasons, some moments are going to be busier. Some moments are going to be harder. Some days or weeks, you have a lot more going on. Some days you just don't feel like it, or you're about to start your period or something happens. And so you have to set yourself up for success and make it easier to win. Okay? When I have my cords ready to record, when it's all right where it needs to be, when I make sure I charge my microphone, I charge my camera, everything is set up. I come down to this room or I sit on the couch or wherever I'm going to record, it's easy. I wear the same black shirt and it's ready to go. It's not random around the house, or I have no idea where I put it, or I put it in the car and took it with me somewhere and I'm looking for it and I forgot. I'm like, that's making it harder for me to win. If I were to show up and I'm like, hey, I got a lot of goals. I have a lot of buckets and family and health and initiatives and books that I'm writing. I'm almost done with my book and content. Instagram just hit 30,000 followers and different things like that. If I have, and then I'm a teacher, and then I could go down the list of all the things that I have to do, that I want to do, that I'm trying to do. And so if you want to be able to do those things, yes, you could outsource. Yes, you can get support and help, and you should, but you also have to create the best systems within yourself first. You have to make it easy to win, easy to succeed, easy to thrive, easy to make it happen. And so I really want to encourage you to prepare and to set systems in place and get really organized. Determine what you want. I've been doing lots of videos lately on focusing on what you want, deciding what you want, and then you can work your way backwards and you can kind of figure out, okay, I want to get here, so I would need to do this, this, and this. But then think even more granular than that. Like, hey, I want to build a YouTube channel. I want to help people. Okay, so I need to make YouTube videos. Okay, I have all these things going on. When's a good time to make them? Can I batch them and make multiple at a time so I have one recording day and then I'm set for the month and then I can edit on certain days, right? Am I setting myself up for success? I have a camera all set up. I have a system. I know what I need to do with my hair. I know what I need to do with the microphone. It's all ready to go. So I can just wake up, record, takes an hour, 2 hours, however long, and then I'm good. If I don't set myself up for success and make it easy to win, that I'm making it hard and it's not fun and it's emotional. And you're like, well, where's my microphone and where is this? And I need my shirt. And like, I only have 1 hour, and like, you're making it harder. This is one reason I talk about money and my book's coming out to help you design a life you love. Because if you're waking up at 4 a.m. and then you commute for an hour and then you work all day, then you commute back and you sit in traffic and then you have like an hour with your kids, but you're drained, and then do you go to the gym and this, that's making it harder for you to enjoy your life and to win. And so what I want you to do is think about what goal you're trying to achieve, how you want to feel in your life, and what's getting in the way. What is not actually helping you become the person you want to be? And typically it's something you can change. It's something you can control. You can always control how you set yourself up to succeed or to fail. And failure isn't bad. But especially in these situations, you don't want to try to fail. Like, these are things you can avoid failing with, right? Like, a YouTube video might not get a certain amount of views, or people might not like it or whatever. That's okay. But you control the inputs. You control what you're doing. Make it easy to win. Make it easy to succeed. Make the healthy choice the easy choice. Hey, here's my fruit bowl. Hey, here's my meal prep. Hey, I'm hanging out with really healthy, fit people. Hey, I got my feed on social media that's showing me like the fittest people, and they're encouraging me to keep going. Use your feed to feed your mind. There's so many things you can do to become the person you want to be. And lastly, I will say with YouTube, I was like a month, 2 months ahead. Lately I've been going week to week. And because I've been working on the book, I'm so close to getting it out. I ordered the proof and I'm just editing it, and it's getting so close. I'm so excited. But that means that YouTube has and Instagram blew up, which is amazing. And I found an audience there. And so I'm supporting them. And then there's all these other things going on in life, right? So with YouTube, I don't like just not having things in the queue, right? Because then if something randomly comes up, or you want to do something with your family, or you're not feeling well, or you're not feeling your best, then it doesn't matter. It's already there. You can give it a little more time, and maybe next week you can work on it. How can you design your life in a way that allows the discipline, but also that allows the flow of the natural human experience? I do believe like showing up like, hey, I don't really feel like going to the gym. Hey, you should do it anyways. Don't miss twice. Maybe miss once, but don't miss twice. Like, I do believe in discipline, but I also know we're human and we can help ourselves out. So I hope this video helped. Feel free to follow for more. Check it out on Instagram. I also have a free email newsletter as well. I'll put a link in the description if you want to sign up. It's absolutely free. And I will see you guys in the next one. Design a life and design your day and systems and put things in place that make it easy for you to win. And you will win.